Good morning, all of you. So, I am back with a new topic, that is before, after, and between. So, first, I will explain you how do we find out before, after, and between numbers. So, let's start with the numbers 1 to 10. First, count with me the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Now before means backward, before means backward, after means forward, after means forward, between means in the middle, between means in the middle. So first we will start with the before numbers. Now see how we will read the sum. Dash 2, dash 2. Now dash is before the number, so we have to find out what comes before 2. Now what comes before 2? Now see here, 2 is here. Now what comes before 2? Backward, that is 1. So we will write here 1. 1 comes before 2. Next, dash 4. Now what comes before 4? What comes before 4? That is 3. Now 3 comes before 4. Next, dash 7. What comes before 7? Now see here, what comes before 7? That is 6. So we will write here 6. 6 comes before 7. Next, dash 5. Now what comes before 5? Yes, 4. Now 4 comes before 5. Next, dash 8. What comes before 8? See, 8 is here. Now what comes before 8? Yes, 7. 7 comes before 8. Now we will do after numbers. Now see how we will read this. 3 dash. How I have read this? 3 dash. Now what comes after 3? Now see here, what comes after 3? That is 4. So 4 comes after 3. 4 comes after 3. Next, 6 dash. Now what comes after 6? What comes after 6? That is 7. 7 comes after 6. Next, 4 dash. Now what comes after 4? That is, after 4 is 5. So 5 comes after 4. Next, 2 dash. Now what comes after 2? Now 2 is here. What comes after 2? That is 3. So 3 comes after 2. Next, 8 dash. Now what comes after 8? See here, after 8 it is 9. Yes, 9 comes after 8. Now between numbers, between means in the middle of. Now 3 dash 5. 3 dash 5. Now what comes in the middle of 3 and 5? See here, 3 is here and 5 is here. Now what comes in the middle of 3 and 5? That is 4. So speak, 4 comes in between 3 and 5. Next, 6 dash 7. Now what comes in between 6 and 8? What comes in between 6 and 8? Now 6 is here and 8 is here. Now what comes in between? Yes, 7. 7 comes in between 6 and 8. Next, 2 dash 4. Now what comes in between 2 and 4? Now 2 is here and 4 is here. What will come? Yes, 3. 3 comes in between 2 and 4. Next, 8 dash 10. Now what comes in between 8 and 10? Now see, 8 is here, 10 is here. Now what comes in between? Yes, 9 comes in between 8 and 10. Next, 1 dash 3. Now what comes in between 1 and 3? Now 1 is here and 3 is here. What is in the between? Yes, 2. Now 2 comes in between 1 and 3. No. So now I hope you have